My grandfather, Bud Grossman, suffered from Alzheimer's. He was an amazing man. Watching him go from who he was to what he ended up being was heartbreaking.
My heart is broken because I can't stand the idea of someone having lived a full life and then losing their memories and their thoughts to a fatal disease of the brain.
Everybody knows somebody who has Alzheimer's. It's a terrifying disease. It's a disease that you can't control, and it's a disease that once you get it, you can't stop it.
Alzheimer's is a fatal disease of the brain which robs people of their memories, their emotions, and their thoughts.
Dr. Karen Ash has been studying Alzheimer's disease for over 20 years. She leads a team at the University of Minnesota's N. Bud Grossman Center for Memory, Research, and Care in pursuit of a cure to this devastating disease.
The problem that we are faced in our society is that our population is aging. If we don't do anything, we're going to reach a collapsing point. We won't be able to sustain the healthcare cost, and we'll see our loved ones deteriorating in front of our eyes.
Right now, there are 5 million patients with Alzheimer's disease, and as our population ages, we expect there will be 15 million people with Alzheimer's disease by 2050 unless we can cure it.
The key to unraveling the mysteries of Alzheimer's may lie with the genetically engineered mice in Dr. Ash's lab. These mice exhibit early indicators of Alzheimer's disease, allowing Dr. Ash and her researchers to study how the disease develops over time. Alzheimer's can be present in a patient up to 20 years before symptoms appear, and Dr. Ash hopes to find the critical intervention point, stopping the disease before it develops.
It's been a long journey, going from when I started trying to make the mice to our current understanding of what the mice are trying to tell us.
In Dr. Ash's lab, the mice are trained to find a hidden platform in a large pool. Their progress is timed and analyzed. The mice with dementia take longer to find the platform than those without signs of dementia. Dr. Ash and her team then compare the patterns of proteins in the brain of a demented mouse with those in the brain of a demented human in an attempt to learn more about the disease.
Mice are really important for helping us understand how toxic molecules related to Alzheimer's disease affect brain function. The ultimate goal of our research is to find a way to prevent Alzheimer's disease from manifesting itself or to prevent it from developing at all.
She gives you a sense of belief that you actually can find a cure, and that this will happen, and that you may play a part in that, and you may have an impact.
The ultimate goal that she has is to cure Alzheimer's, and the idea that that's possible is amazing. She's confident that this is going to be cured. I want to believe her that it's going to happen, and I think it will happen.